Hey guys, it's Arden here, and today I'm going to be showing all of my fidget spinners. Well, most of them. This is my favorite fidget spinner. Just got it today. It's really pretty because it's all metallic, and I love it. Here's this one. Here's this one. We have this one. I have this one, glows in the dark. We have this one that glows in the dark also. And maybe I'll bring you guys into a room. It's dark so we can show you guys how it glows. And this is from Friendly Fidgets. Okay. So now I'm going to take these two glow-in-the-dark fidget spinners. I'm going to pick you guys up.
Hey, that's my fidget spinner.
No, it's not.
You swing that.
Who cares?
She's not.
Taking you guys into a dark, spooky room.
No.
Kepper!
Oh, that's so dark.
Can you see them glowing?
Oh, it's dark.
This one doesn't really glow, but
That's so dark.
one of them,
That's
can
so
you see it?
dark. That's so dark.
It doesn't really show up on camera that well.
That's so dark. That's so dark.
It doesn't really show up on camera that good when I do this, but never mind that. Don't mind, Kemper. The red rose. And so, make sure to watch my next fidget spinner video where Kepper and I make a fidget spinner factory. I'll see you in our next video. Bye! Kepper, say bye.
Bye.